Alright, first things first, let's get some business out of the way for this upcoming video here. This is the SuperClean giveaway, so we have 19 entries. I've given everybody a number as I put it up in the comments so you could see what you are. And this is a random one where I can just start it and stop it. Alright, let's hit the button and let it go. And let's see what we get. Number one is the winner. It's at Gunny 8783 is the winner. So get me your email me with your shipping info, and I will get it to SuperClean, and they will send it out. So again, everybody, thanks again for all the comments. SuperClean was happy with what everybody said about it, and this will be coming out to you. Welcome back, everyone. Today is roofing day, so as you can hear, they're already here. They got here nice and early. Truck is here. They're getting all their safety equipment set up. They're going to get it all dried in because we may get rain on Wednesday. Today's Monday. And yep, so the truck is here waiting, and I'll get some shots of them doing it. There's another shot of them getting their safety equipment on and putting on the synthetic underlayment, the GAF Timberline, and it's also got a good grip on it, so they can walk on it. That's why I like to use it. A little more expensive, but it works well. Well, I guess I'm not one of the only ones who does that trick. I don't know if you saw that, but when you pull the back off of ice and water, there's a protective layer that, because it's sticky, and if you just throw it down, it blows all over the place. So I roll it up over like both hands and tie it into a knot, and it falls down like a weight. And I see they do that too. I've never seen anybody else do it, but that's the way I've always done it. So makes me feel at home. And ice and water in all the valleys as well, so you can see them rolling it down. And Miss Wonderful will be happy to know that for the most part they've got safety equipment. Again, I'm not sure if you can really, how well you can see it, but they put brackets up on the ridge and they can go up and down and tighten the rope just like rock climbers. They're still unloading. You can see they're putting the ice and water up against the side of the dormer. They'll still use step flashing as well, with aluminum flashing at the bottom, but that's just one added layer of protection. You don't see that every day.
No, you don't.
Alright, here's a little interim. You can see that tiger paw prints. Good stuff. They're almost done. That's almost closed in. They got the dormer done. That's all ice and water. Got ice and water down the side, like I said. They're almost done at the front. I didn't check the back yet. I wanted to try to catch some video of him putting the last of the shingles up the boom, because everybody likes to see a machine in action. But I'm almost weatherproof. Almost weatherproof. Here's a little interim. This is just a little after lunch. So they got a quarter of the garage rear already done, and they're finishing up the front. And he's starting on the outdoor porch area now. So he's got somebody dropping him down shingles, and he's shooting them in. So hopefully by tomorrow, we should be all closed up. Another interim. This is about 5 o'clock. So they're all the way up at the top. They got that started. They're up on the back, and I'll go around and see how they're doing in the back. So this is the same 5 o'clock time. The garage is almost done in the back. They're almost all the way up there. See how they're dropping on shingles, and they're doing that. So that'll be done. So I would think tomorrow they probably should be able to finish everything. So I'm happy with that. We got some rain supposed to be coming either Wednesday or Thursday, so now I won't have to worry about it. Here's another interim, almost done in the back. So looks like they should finish tomorrow, which would be pretty good. Just, like I said, it might rain on Wednesday, so this is a good thing. I got a lot done. All right, here we are, end of video, and the roof is all done. And I'm sorry, between the framing of the roof, where I just couldn't video a lot of that. I was cutting rafters and running skid steers around and lifting up. Oh, I dropped my earbud. I was lifting up with the excavator and doing stuff with them and just making sure they did the right thing. And you know, my first job is building this house. Secondly is making videos, as much as I like to do it. But so I don't have a real lot of footage, and it's roofing, but I have to say Smith Roofing Solutions did a great job. I'm going to put their card in here, and at the end, I believe Chad and his wife came back from Smith's Roofing, and they took some drone video of it. So I'm going to put that in at the end. And I thank them for doing that. They have the same drone that Wendy bought me 3 years ago, and you know, I have no excuse for not doing it, but I haven't done it. So I just want to show, here it is. They put, one of the things they did extra for me was they put the house wrap on the gables of the dormer, which should have been done by the truss guys. They did up the side there. Now they did this all in 2.5 days. This is 80 square. Which worked out to be like 84 square with the waste, but they still had to do it all. You know, and there was, you know, they were great. There was no problems. Here's one thing that I'm not complaining about anything that they did. They cleaned up. They were on top of things. They called. Chad was here. The boss was always here. So it came out really nice, laid down nicely. You know, a lot of times new roofs go down and it takes a long time with the heat for it to sit, because if they don't put it down properly or there's a bump. So if you look, everything looks nicely seated. They got the ridge vent nicely uniform where it's got to go. Like I said, I need to build an eyebrow here of a roof, which I will do myself. I've got to do one here. Again, this was what should have already been done. I did not want that connected over there just for the water flow. I didn't want it in a downpour. I didn't want it going up under the soffit. So I think leaving it that way, I'm going to cut that off, that 2x4, and just make a bird box there. Well, not cut it off, but you know what I mean. I'm going to use that, but it's just going to be boxed in. And then here, there's going to be an eyebrow, so basically a roof going across there, and then there is going to be one on the big gable going across there. So the one thing you might have seen in the video, a little red herring in there, the windows have been delivered, and Miss Wonderful and I have started to install them, and I didn't take any video of it because, again, my goldfish brain, I started to do it before I was intending to do it. But anyway, so you'll probably see a couple of windows in. The dormer windows were in when I built that down on the trailer. But again, all in all, I am very happy with Smith's Roofing Solution out of Conway, South Carolina. I'm going to link their info, and I'll put their card there. And thank another shout out to Chad and his wife for coming out for the YouTube to be on the YouTube channel with the drone video. So again, here you go. One last look. You'll get to see the windows next, and also whoever won the I didn't do it yet, but so I'm making this preemptively, but whoever wins the SuperClean giveaway, just send me your shipping info and SuperClean will send that out to you. So as usual, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.